Big data automation. Big data, characterized by the massive volume, variety, and velocity of data, has become a critical asset for businesses seeking valuable insights. To harness the full potential of big data, automation plays a pivotal role in streamlining processes, enhancing efficiency, and ensuring accurate analysis. Here's an exploration of big data automation and its significance. Data ingestion and processing. Automation simplifies the process of ingesting large volumes of diverse data into the system. Whether structured or unstructured, data can be efficiently processed, eliminating manual interventions and reducing the risk of errors. Data integration. Big data often resides in different sources and formats. Automation tools seamlessly integrate data from varied origins, providing a unified view. This integration is crucial for obtaining comprehensive insights and making informed decisions. Big data cleaning and quality assurance. Automated processes ensure data quality by detecting and correcting errors, duplicates, or inconsistencies. This step is vital for maintaining the accuracy and